Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us here in the monthly and in the daily, because today the monthly candle is finished. So stick with us here in the daily and monthly. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And we're going to make for you even some on-chain. So make sure to watch everything and don't try to skip anything to understand very well. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to also, like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, and you, if you are a part of our family, please support us by just smashing that like button. You done it? Thank you very much, guys. So let's start our lesson of today. So as you see here, that the monthly candle here is finished, that green one here as you see it, and it do something very nice here as you see with me here. That red one here is the 50 moving average as you see it. We're being down the net here. Now is the first time after that long bear run, now we're breaking above the 50 moving average, guys, and that is a major and a huge signal to buy for long-term investors. I will tell it to you now, just this, you don't know when the market is going to take off. And let me to show you something very important here in the monthly, because people, they've been with us for long now, they remember all those things, but it's okay for you if you just came now. Look with us here at the monthly, how it's reacting at that 50 moving average all the times. Is the only time when we're breaking down is here, and now also we're breaking above here. Is a major signal to buy. Yes, in the daily it's showing to us maybe there is a small correction, but here in the monthly it's showing us we're changing from a downtrend to an uptrend, guys. Everything is in front of you, guys. There is nothing hiding here. Look at it. Look here, and look now. Now it's showing to us the market is going to take off, because also we are very close to the halving cycle, guys. And as you see it, every time when the halving cycle came, how is the market is going to do? So make sure you are sitting inside that plane before it take off, guys. Remember my word. I think picture is too clear here. Now let me show you the on-chain data or the on-chain indicators we're going to analyze for you today. So let's go in there. The first indicator, guys, is that one, MVRVZ. That one is very common indicator. Majority of people, they know it. That one is here. You see it here. Look with me here. You see that blue one here. When it cross, that black one cross below that blue one here, as you see it. And that one here is it here at the oversold area. Is a highly chance you are in the bottom. And people, they been with us. They remember when us we been at that 15k. We been telling you buy. And as you see it, now we touch here and it's showing it taking off, going upward. So when it's going to touch here, the overbought area, is the right time for you to take some of the profit. And let me show it to you, because if we zoom here, as you see here, look with me here, what you see in here, it's being below here in that zone, and now it's crossing above that blue one. So that's a major signal the market is going to take off upward. And down is the same thing. If we came down here and we zoom in here, look with me here, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area, and now here it came out from the oversold area. So that way me I told you guys, they say you don't know what the market is going to do, but the bull run it start. I think that one is very simple. You don't need to explain a lot about it. The second one, let's go to see it together. Second one is that one, Bitcoin investor. That one is another indicator. That one is very simple, same thing like the first one, but the only different that one, when it came here below that green one here, as you see it, every time it came here, it's highly chance you are in the bottom. And now as you see it, also we are here. But that one here, it hasn't broken above. But that one, when it's breaking above, is too late. So always the best time to enter when is it down here. And as you see it also being down here. Plus, look with me here. If we zoom it a little bit like that. As you see, guys, also being here, down in that level. So it's the right time for you to start it, this A. And that one here, it's showing to us you still in a level, in a good level to still buying. That's why I told you this A. I think picture is too clear, guys. And sell when it touching the red one. I think picture is very, very simple here. Let's see the chart one. The chart one is that one, guys. As you see it, that one, it's showing to you, see that yellow one here, that yellow line here. When it's breaking below the green one here, it's 100%. You are in the bottom, as you see it here. And I show it to you before that one. As you see here, as you see here. And it doesn't need just to the yellow one to break below. It's need even the market. The market is the black one, or the Bitcoin chart is the black one here. So as you see it, now we are here at that level here. So that one is telling us, even that one is telling us, also we are in the bottom. Let's zoom it a little bit like that. As you see it, what I'm trying to tell you here, look with me here in that zone here. You see that yellow one here, it's crossing below the green one. And the market here, it's being touching that green one. So it's being highly chanced when we used to be at 15K. Over here, it's showing to us it's going up, as you see it. Till that red one. And as you see here, what it's showing to us, the take profit is going to be 100K. So that's another story. Where is going to be the take profit? Also, we're staying with you for long now. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now, let's go into daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the daily. So it's going there. Here we are in the daily, guys. Here in the daily, you remember what else we said. A lot of people, and that's very, very good, because I saw a lot of people, they copying our analysis. That's very good. At least retail traders, they will not lose those days, because some people, they copying our analysis, but very good. The only thing, if you copy my analysis, just give the video a thumbs up and support us, or maybe you can mention our channel to helping us to growing up a little bit, because as you see, our channel is very small. So also what we said here, we said before we got here an inside bar like that. The inside bar is it that green one here, and also as you see it now, we are going to the third week. We stay sideways here. We couldn't break above here, and we couldn't break below that level here. So till now there is nothing new here in the daily. You need to wait in, and as I've been telling you, Saturday and Sunday there is no volume, guys. So you need to wait in. Maybe tomorrow we're going to see a little bit drop, because as you know, Monday what the market doing, or maybe we're going to see a fake out here in Monday. Then after that, we're going to see a drop. Even that one, you need to put it in the side. So here in the daily, there is nothing new here. Now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Even here in the 4 hours, there is nothing new here. We still have here that flag, as we saying before here. And that one is going to tell us where is the Bitcoin is going to go. As you remember at the flag, also we drawing together. Till now, we couldn't break above here to go up, and we couldn't break down here to go below. The only thing here, we got here now a head and shoulder, as you see it, very clear head and shoulder here. The neckline for that one is going to be like that. It's going to be higher than the top of that flag. Also, we're drawing together. That one is going to be here if it's breaking above. But for me, I don't focus about that one. Me, I'm focused about just that flag me I got here. I'm waiting it to get broke either up. I'm going to enter long, or the market to fall down to break down, and I'm going to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they saying here, the 4 hours. So we're going there. Our indicator, you remember, we have here a divergence, very clear divergence compared to the chart. But the good news, till now, also we haven't changed from the bull control to the bear control. That means also we're still in an uptrend. Even if we got a divergence, even if we got anything, it doesn't mean nothing if we haven't changed. Maybe in the coming days or coming hours, we're going to see the market going up and breaking all the divergence. And that one is going to be just another high. So that's why I told you there is nothing yet. And as you see, it came here. It touching here that wall as we have here. Give us a fake out here as we enter short in it. Now we go back here. But till now, the market, it needs to break that trend line here. As you see, that white one. People, they been with us. They remember we used to have one in the daily. We've been followed from 2021. So even that one, it needs to be broken here for us to know the market is changing from the divergence, because till now the divergence is still make me scared, guys. So for long-term investors, you just wait in correction and started buying. For swing traders, you just wait in here and you waiting that flag I just show you in the 4 hours what is going to be broken, either up or either down. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator was saying. Our indicator, as you see it guys, here that one also we've been here at the overbought area for some time, and even here we got a very clear divergence. Me changing that color. Look here guys, we got here a very clear divergence here and here, as you see it, very clear. And if we came here and we do it like that, and if we came here and we do it like that, as you see it, we got a very clear divergence here. Should we enter short? No, we don't need to enter short yet. We need to wait and more where the market is going to go. And do that one for you. I do that flag here like that. Or that channel, the names doesn't matter because that one is an accumulation level or a level where is the big whales, they waiting to sell the crypto they buy from down here. So maybe that's a level, or maybe it's going to be just a rested level. Then after that, we're going to see the market is breaking above here. Then it's going to continue upward. So what you need to do, you come to your chart and you draw in that channel how I draw it me like that, and I'll show you how to draw it. You can go back to the last video and watch it, and you wait in the break. If we're breaking down here, enter short. If we're breaking above here, enter long. That's it. And I'll show you even the take profit in the last video. I told you in the top, is it here at 34k, and down here is it between 24 till 22k. I'll show you all those things guys. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here is only for scalping and day trading. Yes, you are right. Here, what me I told you in the last video, I told you we got here a double bottom. As you see it, very clear double bottom here. It's breaking the neckline here. And as you see it, it's staying all Saturday sideways here. And I told you something else here. I told you got here like that, like a wedge or a triangle, because that one here, I told you that one just a squeeze to hit stop loss for those people they want to enter short. Now you draw it like that and you wait. And if we're breaking down here, you enter short. If we're breaking above here, you enter long. Very simple and very clear. If you enter short here, if it's breaking down here and you enter short, where it needs to be the take profit of you, it needs to be down here in that level here, as you see it, 26,700. Stop loss of you can put it here, or you can put it here in the top of that level, depending on your money management and how much money you're risking. That for the short. For the long, what you need to do, for the long, if it's breaking above here, stop loss, you can put it here, you can put it here, you can even put it down here, depending on your money management and how much money you're risking per trade. Take profit for that one, you come here to that place here and you do it like that, and in the take profit you do it up. It's going to be between 30k or 31k. So I think picture is too clear guys here. It's our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, it's telling us we are here at the overbought area, so we need to looking for short. Enter short, I just show it to you. You do it like that and you wait, and if it's breaking down, you enter short. But you don't need to follow the indicator. Even if it's breaking above here, enter long guys. Everything is too clear guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.